You having trouble with it?
My question today was just like that old heater right there from this box. You have this tube that goes. It's like it's missing the tube that goes inside.
Oh, it's not.
It's
No,
not?
no, that's called an ultra low NOx burner. I thought that too when I first saw him. I was like, what is going on? You know, it sprays the. It's crazy.
So I can push in here and you can smell the gas, right? And he said that he checked the lighter and he says that I get spark, but it doesn't.
Okay.
It doesn't want to fire off. So he said that I guess he said he's gonna have you bring one of these and change this out.
If I need to, yeah.
Okay.
There might just be something like the pilot tube's blocked. So let me try it out. Yeah, no, that's a crazy design. I'm not a big fan of those, but they're all that way now. It's like the new California state law. It's supposed to produce less emissions when the gas burns.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, it actually shoots it down this tube, and then the gas hovers on a screen and catches the pilot light, and it all burns up here. It's crazy. You can hear it hissing and stuff. When I first saw him, I thought something was. I'm like, what is this?
So we bought this last Thursday. He says this is the first time that he could get somebody out here. So that's kind of like the old lady's upset. So I keep her inside the house.
She's gonna come out and yell at me.
No.
I tried to come out on Thursday, but Dave said I was busy or something. I'm like, no, man.
He said that you were busy. He said
he told me I had told him I was busy. I'm like, no. What are you talking about? I could have came out Thursday.
Yeah, I would appreciate it. Well, I appreciate you here now.
Yeah.
I don't know what's up with Dave.
Dave's all right.
Well, he's not very good with customer service.
Yeah, he's.
I went over to a store and he's got a whole bunch of water heaters. I want you to just pull that damn thing unit off of one of these and put it on the one that you already sold. He'll no, I can't do that. And I said, okay, well then bring another water heater. That's good. We'll pull this one out. Do you need some dikes?
Oh, I think I got it here. Trying to find a reason to cut myself.
And he said he was going to take the old one. And here it sits.
I'll take it if you want.
All right, thank you. I appreciate you, and I'll help you load it.
Would you like a turkey sandwich?
Sure.
Two turkey sandwich?
What is your name, sir?
My name's John.
You want a turkey sandwich?
I did look over when you said that. Nah, I'm okay. I don't want to impose.
Thank you, son.
Thank you. I was expecting her to yell at me based on what you were saying. Thanksgiving's coming.
Yeah. Yeah, Christmas.
Yeah.
Actually, pretty good mood now that you're here.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good.
Maybe I'll get some tonight.
All right. We're not gonna be able to. It's full, right?
Well, I can
can't.
loosen up the straps and push the unit towards the wall if that gives you.
Yeah, see, I have to pull the burner assembly out, and I can't do that with these pans in the way.
Yeah. Okay.
Because the pans prevent me from working on it.
Okay. Do you have tin snips? If you have tin snips, we can just cut it and peel it. I don't care. I can always replace this later.
Oh. Sure.
Yeah, let's do
I
that.
already pulled one of these out. Yeah, that would make it a lot easier.
Is that a good brand, Bradford White?
Yeah, they are good.
They kind of like the modern Kenmores, like everybody uses them. I see a lot of them.
Oh, the Kenmores?
No, the Bradford White.
Oh yeah.
I'm saying they're the modern day Kenmores brand.
Yeah, they are. It's really this pipe here that's in my way.
Okay. Dave left this.
Oh.
Or is it?
He'll be wanting that back.
Oh, yeah.
It's like working on a car, you know. You gotta get to the water pump. You gotta remove the alternator and the.
I got a sawzall. You want to cut that out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it now. You know what they need? They need like 25 more threads on here. That's what they need. We got everything. You got this thing well built. Nothing's gonna move. I think I can get it out.
If we pop that screen?
If I pop this screen.
Yeah, go ahead, pop that screen. I don't know what you need to pop that screen. I put it. There you go. There.
Thanks. Yeah, there's no way. It's coming right in line, so I'll have to cut it like from here.
That's fine. If you push it forward, you get that one piece out.
Yeah, I got it. See that? It's too much of an arch. Sorry, had to destroy your house to
No, you're not destroying that.
to fix the water heater.
Watch how you don't cut this. Okay.
So it's just a bad design. They ran the
Ceramic.
the spark wire up high, and so it takes all the heat.
Oh, I see.
And so then it melts and exposes the wiring, and then it misfires, so it starts shooting spark back here
All right,
instead
on.
of up here where it needs to be. Thanks, Bradford White.
You got it, the light?
Yeah.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, the pilot light just lit.
Let's see what that looks like. I'm blind, I can't see shit.
Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock at an angle. You really got to come in and look that way. Yeah, it's in there. It's ready to be fired up. Yeah, you can't. You're looking at like 9 o'clock. You want to look at 3. Like imagine a clock.
Right. I believe you, I can't see it.
Yeah, that's all right.
I can feel some heat though.
Yeah. Well. There you go.
You
Yeah?
heard it? No.
Yeah, you
I'm
can,
dead.
you can listen to
I
it.
can't
Oh,
hear
are you?
shit either. Oh, I hear it now.
Yeah, it's running. It's running. It's just like I showed you, you know. That really, unfortunately, I bought a bunch from David, and I've got like 12 of those. Same problem.
So you're fixing them and then using them for spares, or do you go?
No,
through
I
them?
sell them too. I buy them from him and sell them.
Oh, I was gonna say.
That's how I know David.
So he's probably better off if he goes through them to make sure that wire is before he sells them, right?
Well, he checks for spark, and he saw spark. But what he didn't know is it was jumping across to some metal. So and I always check for spark too. In fact, when I get them from him, I check for spark, and I'll either label spark or no spark. And then I got to go back through and do this to
yeah,
them.
you got to pull them out and make sure that they're good. And this way, when you sell them, you know they're far off every time. But anyway, it's all good now.
Yeah, yeah.
It's all good now.
Yeah, so unfortunately I got like 15 just like that I got to work on. Same problem. And I don't have 15 backup burner assemblies, you know. So.
Well, you
Thanks,
have to,
Dave.
You have to individual order that one wire, that white
No,
wire?
I'll probably pull it out and look at the condition and maybe re-insulate it.
All right.
And then, you know, carefully try and get it back in there and make sure. Yeah, you can, it's a piece, the pilot assembly, that's a piece of the pilot assembly. So you can actually force it out and replace it. It's cheaper than ordering. Oh yeah, actually. Is it full?
It's full. I had told them that one blow-up valve was, when I first filled it up, it was leaking, but it seems to have stopped leaking.
Oh, okay. Well, you cut
And
the
then I pulled that other one out, but that one's too shorty. It wouldn't fit in there. That one's a tall one that goes through. I mean, that one's a long one.
Yeah.
So we'll see. So far, so good.
Yeah, cool.